हाय, अ वेरी हैप्पी होली टू ऑल ऑफ यू। देखो आज कोविड की वजह से यू कांट प्ले होली, एग्री, यू कांट स्पेंड टाइम विद कलर्स, विद फ्रेंड्स, राइट? एग्री, completely agree. But if you are saying this festival is boring and all, no, it's your fault because it's wrong choice according to you. You have great options to make Holi festival interesting from boring. How? The point is, the question is how? By spending quality time with your friends, by spending quality time with your family, by sharing your thoughts, by exchanging your thoughts, by learn something financially, how they manage the finance of their houses, how they manage the cost of our education, how their life was so struggling in their past, how you manage, how they manage, exchange your thoughts, have a quality time with your friends, with your family, सेफ प्ले करो, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ खेलो, हल्का फुल्का खेलो, ज़्यादा नहीं खेल सकते हो, कोविड है एग्री, बट थोड़ा बहुत तो खेल सकते हो ना। तो वो कैसे खेल सकते हो? घर में बैठो आराम से, घर के अंदर ही खेल लो, ज़्यादा मत खेलो। तो तुम्हें ऐसा है कि घर में कचरा हो जाएगा, फलाना हो जाएगा, ढिमकाना हो जाएगा, वाह। इफ यू हैव अ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, यू कैन मेक योर एवरी फेस्टिवल बोरिंग टू इंटरेस्टिंग. How you manage them, how you choose them, how you choose the positive mindset, how you choose the right option for your career, for your option, for everything. That's matter. Let's become successful together. Subscribe our channel to join our community. Like the video, share the video with your friends, family and whatever you have. Thank you so much for watching this video. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो के अंदर. Bye bye.